3 at a time is a fun way to practice putting numbers in the right order 3 at a time. The goal of the game is to put the quantities shown in each floating cloud in order from less to more. Less is on the left side and more is on the right side. Remember that when we say quantity, we mean the total number of objects in each cloud. When the game begins, a cloud with a quantity will float onto the board. Click on an empty space on the number line at the bottom to place the quantity cloud in order from less to more. After you do this, a new cloud appears. Now, figure out if the new cloud is less or more than the quantity you just placed on the line. This new cloud has one dot, which is less than the 2 dots in the cloud on the line. Click on the open space to the left to put the new cloud into place. This cloud's quantity of 1 is less than the quantity of 2 in the cloud to the right, meaning so far the order is correct. Finish the game by placing all 3 quantities in the correct order from less to more. You will know the order is correct when all 3 clouds fly off the screen and the progress meter moves up 1 mark. Once the progress meter fills with 3 correct plays, you have finished a game and will earn 6 stickers. If you find that you have placed a quantity in the wrong spot, you can still move it to an open space, left or right. Just click and drag which way you want to move it. If you place all quantities correctly without needing to slide any clouds, you earn 1 bonus sticker. Try to challenge yourself to get the correct order without having to move any quantities on the line. You can move more than 1 cloud as long as there is an open space. If you make a mistake, a red X will appear and the cloud will drop off screen. You will not lose any bonus stickers for wrong answers, but you will not advance until all 3 quantities are placed correctly in order. As you level up in games and rounds, the quantities will get higher and the objects in the clouds will change to different shapes, colors, and numbers. No matter what, remember to stay focused on ordering the quantities from less to more. Continue to play the games until you complete all 4 rounds and earn the maximum number of stickers. We hope you have fun playing 3 at a time. If you get stuck or want to find out the number of stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!